time is 2:22. For your safety and the safety of those around you, if you'll please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Keep the aisle clear until we're parked at the gate. The captain will then turn off the fasten seatbelt sign indicating it's safe to stay on. Use caution when opening the overhead compartments and removing items since articles may have shifted during the flight. The use of wireless communication devices such as cellular phones and PDAs is now permitted. However, all other electronic devices must remain off and stowed until we've reached the gate. The captain's turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. If you have a mobile PDA, you can go to usairways.com for updated flight status and gate information, or you can check the flight monitors once you're inside the airport. Shuttle bus transportation is available to the U.S. Airways